Right.
Well, they wanted the columns there for decorative purposes. Here we're seeing, it's called a C-channel, and it allows us to span up to 19 feet without any support columns underneath.
Okay, and
which is a great feature to open up that living space.
All right, so, and you can do that just about anywhere. So if you want a big, like a master bedroom without anything, you want a big open one, this is the way to go.
Absolutely.
What's it normally on a cost? What's that usually cost? Do you know? As of today's date?
Yeah. It is incorporated into, the cost of the C-channel is incorporated into the base price of the home,
okay,
the floor plan. However, there is a cost from the installation's viewpoint of bolting this together, so which is typically $125 to $200.
All right, so they're coming on. It's coming in two pieces. One's on one side, one's on the other side of the marriage wall.
Correct.
So the steel beams are there, and then they've got to just attach those.
Well, and that's critical, Pepper, because there is a proper way to attach them and an improper way to attach them. The proper way is to, you see these bands, to band the C-channel together, bolt it, and then wedge up between the C-channel. That way it can't move either way.
Okay, I got you. All right, now also over here we've got your dormers. You got 3 on the front, 3 on the back.
Right.
And these are already sheeted, so they're actually moving the dormers down.
That's correct. You notice the headers already in place.
Headers are in place, and then you've got the board over there. Tell us what the shiny material is.
Oh, that is a great option that you can include. It's called Tech Shield. It's an innovative sheeting that is a reflective barrier, so it saves wear and tear on your shingles, as well as keeping the inside of your house cool in the summer and warm in the winter.
Okay. Is there an additional charge on that?
There is. Now, R&L can price it 2 different ways. They can price the Tech Shield by itself, or you can price it in what they call the energy package, which gives you the R38 batten insulation that you see,
okay,
which is over and above code, but still gives you that 80% of your heat losses through the ceiling, so that's where you need to focus. And then you can also get the Tech Shield in that package, as well as the moisture wrap under the siding and on top of the OSB on the exterior of the home.
Okay, all right. And it's like we mentioned in in the write-up in our seminar. You know, if you do energy packages, you get some. If you get appliance packages, there's also enhancement packages or aesthetic like countertops, bathroom stuff. So when you deal with that modular manufacturer, see what kind of packages they have, and sometimes it comes out as a better value.
Sometimes it comes out as a better value. Sometimes it's better off, depending on what the purpose is, to do it individually.
Okay, I gotcha. All right, you can see the knee walls, when they flip this roof up, you can see the knee walls there and the bands that they put in. So they went right down underneath. You've got your flooring underneath your dormers, so that's, you know, they can use that semi-living space, so to speak. And then you've got another flip up down here that they have yet to put up, which gives you a little bit of contour and contrast to the house as you look from the outside, and you get different types of roof lines.
Something else that is included is if you have rough wiring, you have 2 home runs up here for takeoffs for your finishing wiring, and then you have another takeoff for your smoke detector that is required by code, even in unfinished areas.
Yeah, sounds good. You cut it for a minute. Let's see. All right. Huh? Oh. So what's going on?
Good, okay. 3, 2, 1.
Ready? Okay. Well, Greg, we're here at the stairwell. Now, one of the things I like to do when I order a 2-story is I like to have a close-off package in there, because then I can put up my walls, drywall it, put in my door, and then all I have to do is complete the downstairs real quick and then get my C of O. And then once I get my C of O, I can come back up here and redo this if I want to and get my special permitting.
That's correct.
So, anything you can add to that?
Well, with the stairwell package, your walls are going to be insulated or required to be insulated. Some manufacturers may ship the insulation, some may not. You also have a light that has to be installed in the stairwell. That's a fee that you need to factor into your cost, which is required to be done by a certified electrician. So there are little things like that, and it may only be $125 for that, $125 for this, but those are all costs that you need to include and be aware of. And those are costs included in any type of construction. But in the modular construction, there are things that you may not think of if you're not familiar with it, and that you need to factor in.
Okay, that's good. All right, let's. Well, they haven't put the dormers up yet, so let's go back downstairs and see what else is going on.
Okay, great.
Now what?
Do the stairwell here. Okay. I keep stepping towards you, and you keep stepping away.
Me or him?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
All right, Greg, you wanted to point something out on the stairwell here?
Yeah, Pepper, it's important that with any home building and home selling process, that your customer is educated and their expectations are set properly. The stairwell is a great example. Now, if you notice, this is an unfinished stairwell as far as staining.
Right.
The reason it's shipped unfinished there are thousands of different stain colors.
Right.
We don't know in many cases what stain color the homeowner may want. If it's a spec home especially. So it comes unfinished, and then if the homeowner wants it finished, we figure out what kind of stain they want and incorporate that into the cost. But that's the reason it's unfinished. We could stain this 100 different colors and it would still be wrong from what the homeowner wants.
And you can also, well, you can go white,
Yes, you can.
or you can just delete it and have them take care of it themselves, could you not?
That's correct. That's correct. But, and some people just like the natural look. Put some polyurethane on it, you're good to go.
Okay, that's a good point. All right, let's, where's the kitchen? Are we on the kitchen? Go to master bath.
That's my kitchen's around here.
All right, let's go. Actually, let's go. Once you sit over there, we'll go over here.
Rolling.
All right, we're sitting here in the kitchen, Greg, and I see some really neat things. We've got a tile edging on this. Was it Corian top?
No, that's a Formica.
Formica, that looks good.
Countertop, absolutely. You know, the ceramic tile, 2-inch ceramic tile edging with the bull nose, and then the 6-inch ceramic tile backsplash really sets it off.
All right, and then now obviously they did a taller cabinet.
They did. This is a 42-inch cabinet. It's a cherry cabinet. And with R&L, like most manufacturers, they build their cabinets, they custom build their cabinets in the factory. In the factory. So no matter what the kitchen design is, they can build the cabinets to fit in properly.
All right, now some modular manufacturers order from different cabinet manufacturers, but R&L does not?
Yes, you have that option.
You have that option.
The
Okay.
standard cabinets, they custom build in their plant. you have the option of Merilap if you want to
Merilap.
order one from
Okay.
outside.
And have you found a price difference or quality difference?
Actually, with R&L, factory cabinets are a better value.
Okay. So if a manufacturer offers that, that's good to go.
Right.
Now, a lot of things I do in some of my upgraded modulars, like some of the stuff that we're specing high end, I'll opt out the kitchen sink because they don't have the quality that I usually like. But
Right.
this is a good looking sink with a good looking single lever faucet, and they've obviously gone with the stainless steel.
Correct. And just like most manufacturers.
Hold on, we're not going to.
Roll.
All right, so anyway, you've got different options as far as sinks are concerned.
You do, and if you would choose the granite countertop option, of course that would come with an undermount sink, and,
Right.
which really looks nice.
All right, and then of course chair finish, and then you can up here they've got it open above the cabinets, but you could also option for a soffit, maybe a soffit that comes out 6 inches, and you could put can lighting in under the soffit area, right?
That's right. You can do a drop-down soffit, and those are some of the terminology that we can go through in our seminar.
Okay. And then they put the can lighting, and of course these are easy to put in. Actually, they're very affordable, I found, because you just draw them in and on the plane, and presto, they're in there, and that's easily done, and all the drywall's done. You don't have to mess with any of it. So that's the beauty of the modular.
Absolutely.
Because I do have problems with all the drywall guy says, hey, the spotlight's in the wrong way, or something always happens when I do a site build. So modular takes care of that.
That's correct.
All right, let's. Do we need to look at the master bathroom or master bedroom?
Sure, let's take a
Let's
look.
take a look at that. Where is it?
I think it's this one.
Ready?
Roll.
All right, Greg, tell us about this real nice size master bath.
It is. And you'll notice the countertops are really that's a 42.
All right, Greg, tell us about this really nice size master bath.
It is. And you'll notice the countertops are a little taller than most beds. That's a 42.
Ain't gonna happen.
Okay. I'll get it.
Actually, I'll tell you what. Why don't you film it, and then we can in the closet. And we can just voice over on that. Nice. Ooh. All right. What else do we need?
It's not.
Does it panelize? Pop?
The end walls are panelized.
I already got some of that one in the cabinet. You know what? I think it'd be good to show these cracks and tell people this is what happens.
This, yeah.
1, 2, 7, 6.
Hello!
I wouldn't show that one. I'd show.
I think I'd show all of it. I think I'll show all of them just so people know, because it gives them an idea. Hey, these guys aren't holding back. All right, Greg, we're here in the master bedroom, and like any modular that gets shipped, you always have stress cracks.
Right. Especially in this room, because this is the corner
Okay.
of the back half.
Right.
So you get a little more stress in this area than you do toward the center of the house.
Okay.
And this is a common area over the windows and doors to have the cracks, and very typical, very easy to fix.
Okay. Yeah, and then we've got a little there, and then we got the crown molding popped a little bit just from the setting of the house, but they should be able to tighten that right back up, and a little caulk, and you're done.
Not a problem.
Let's